We are jigsaw pieces aligned on the perimeter edge, interlocked through a missing piece. We are Renaissance children, become beneath the bridge of size, forever throwing firebrands at the stonework. We are Siamese children, related by the heart, bleeding from the surgery of initial confrontation, holding the word scalpels on trembling lips. Stand straight, look me in the eye and say goodbye. Stand straight, rejecting past the point of reasons why. Yesterday starts tomorrow, tomorrow starts today. And the problem always seems to be we're picking up the pieces of the ricochet. This is the ricochet. Drowning tequila sunsets, stowaways on midnight ships, refugees of romance plead asylum from the real, scrambling distress signals on random frequencies, forever repatriated on guilt-laden morning planes. We are pilots of passion, sweating the flight on course to another summit conference, another breakfast time divorce, screaming at a ceasefire, snowblind in an avalanche zone. Stand straight, look me in the eye and say goodbye. Stand straight, rejecting past the point of reasons why. Yesterday starts tomorrow, tomorrow starts today. And the problem always seems to be we're picking up the pieces of the ricochet. This is the ricochet. Ricochet. Are we trigger happy? Russian roulette in the waiting room. Empty chambers, embracing the end. Puzzled visions haunt the ripples of a Trevi moon. Dream coin for the fountain, or to cover your eyes. We reached ignition point from the sparks of pleasantries. We sense the smoke advancing from horizons. You must have known that I was concealing an escape. Stand straight. This is the problem. This is the ricochet problem. Ricochet. Thank you.